Guys, we're seeing big fireworks here. Oh, I just saw one.
Oh, what's going on, guys? Me ran back with a video. Sorry to do a
And I'm
vlog.
here also. We're having a sleepover.
Sorry to do a vlog in a long time. And today, Happy New Year's Eve.
Hey guys, what's this doing?
Watching some fireworks.
Yeah, basically. But guys, we're going live.
There's probably no one up right now, but oh, okay. But yeah, guys, Happy New Year's Eve to all of you. We're just looking at some fireworks. Trying to find some fireworks right now. Yeah, guys. Oh! See that, guys? You hear that boom? That's insane, guys. Really, that's
Also, just make sure to like and subscribe.
yeah, guys.
Try to get to 5,000 this time. We had 5,000 at 12.
Oh, hello.
Hello, people.
Yeah,
Of the internet.
Someone. Oh, hey, Raymond Fields Diamond. You're from my PS4. Hello. Hello. Oh, hello, Assassinator. Oh my gosh.
What's up, guys?
Oh my gosh. It's Happy New Year's. It's really awesome. I wish we could shoot off fireworks.
Those lights, though,
Yeah.
they're like hanging. Those could be fireworks. You just blow them up.
Yeah.
There was some over there.
Yeah. There's only like not too many.
I don't really think, anyway. I just saw some. Oh my god, that scared the life out of me. I thought a bomb went off.
Oh, Happy New Year, Raymond Fields Diamond. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
I might be on tomorrow. Yeah.
You've been busy, huh?
Yeah.
Got a lot going on.
Okay, bye. Huh? I think I hear fireworks somewhere.
There'll be some more.
Yeah, you heard that boom, guys?
Could we go to IHOP tomorrow? For like breakfast or something? IHOP is like the best place.
Jeez. It's crazy. Are you still on, Emma?
Yeah, I'm still on.
Oh, nice.
Look, Brandon. That way.
Oh!
It's kind of, oh wow. I think I just caught that.
I'm trying to get closer.
Look at that, Brandon. See it there? Straight ahead.
Let's see anything.
Also, guys, make sure to get to the B Brandon
Yeah, guys.
merch.
Yeah, guys, the merch is really amazing.
Lit.
Yeah. Oh! I swore I think I caught that. I swore. Oh, you heard that?
What is that?
But yeah, guys, Happy New Year to all of you. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. And
Bye, guys.
Why do you get off so
Stop!
fast?
You're so crazy. Oh my goodness.
What is that? Oh.
Are you still on?
Yeah, I'm still on.
Put your hat on, bud.
I'm fine now. But yeah, guys, the fireworks are awesome.
How many people are on there talking to you?
5, probably.
15.
Put your...
Some people get like 1,000. But guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and goodbye.